Today on Trail Preview Thursdays, I am previewing Waterhole Trail in Big Bend Ranch State Park over by Big Bend Ranch National Park. Waterhole Trail is a about 3/4 mile trail with is about 80 to 60 feet of descent and ascent depending on which way you ride it. I'll be riding it from the west and heading east. So from the west main trail and then towards the access road that is over there. It's a really fun trail, and probably, if I had to pick one, it was probably one of my favorite trails in the entire state park. It is pretty rocky. It is a blue trail, and things can get quite steep and rocky in some places, but it is definitely really fun. If you're enjoying this video so far, I'd really appreciate if you hit the like button down below and subscribe while you're down there. It helps support the channel and grow it so that more people just like you can find the channel. Alright, let's get back to the video. If you're coming from the west like I did, then definitely make sure that you turn around a few times so that way you can hit some of the optional drops in the creek bed that are there. They're pretty fun to do, and they're not too terribly big. So overall, it is a really fun trail, and I would probably definitely call it an intermediate trail. So let's go ahead and drop in. Drop. You practice the unweighting of the... What is it? Yep. So that is Waterhole Trail. All in all, I would definitely recommend it, and especially if you're heading towards the east, then I would definitely make sure that you tag on all of the little offshoot trails. It makes it way more funner than going on the little access road there. If you want to see my full video that I did at Big Bend Ranch State Park, go and check out that video right here. I'll see you over there. And in the meantime, you know what to do. Go find your epic.